Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. Schools have already started and kids come home hungry after school. So this is a perfect dish to serve which is absolutely easy to make. Make this and you will see that they will go for second or even third helping. Let's see how it's made. Come on. You can use butter instead of oil. Here I have boneless chicken cut into very small pieces. Saute for a couple of minutes until you see the color change. Add in finely chopped garlic and saute for just 30 seconds. I have chopped the mushrooms the same size of the chicken pieces. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Now, here you can be creative and use any veggies your kids like. This is the best way to incorporate veggies in their food. Saute for about a minute or so. We don't want to overcook the chicken or the veggies. Salt and black pepper as per taste. Adjust the crushed red pepper as per your spice level. This is store-bought mixed herb seasoning. Give it a good mix. Here I have 1 cup of my homemade pizza sauce, but you can use store-bought also. Look how it started to look so appetizing. Mix well and switch off the flame and allow it to cool. I'm making a thick slurry of the all-purpose flour and water to bind the wrappers for the samosa. This is perfect. Once the chicken mixture is cooled, add in shredded mozzarella cheese and mix well. If you like my recipes, then please hit the subscribe and the like button for such amazing recipes coming your way. I have some tortillas which I'll cut in half. Perfect. Fold the tortillas halfway, making a cone shape, and apply a generous amount of flour paste we made earlier. This ensures that it sticks well. Press firmly and start filling with the chicken mixture. Keep pressing down so that the mixture goes all the way down. Now close one side and seal the edges, generously applying the flour paste, pressing firmly. Looks awesome, don't you think? Make the rest of them similarly. We will deep fry them in medium hot oil until they turn golden. Keep moving them for even color all around. Check out the description box for the full recipe with measurements. Now these disappear quickly as both kids and adults love them, so make a bigger batch. Look how lovely and crunchy they are and evenly golden all over. Let me break one and show you. Wow, the cheese has melted and the aroma is incredible. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.